So ayan, wala na siya mga gulong. Ay, panibagong gastos. So what's up mga tropa, samahan nyo uli ako ngayon. Meron tayong lakad, no? Ito yung lakad na masasabi kong double purpose. Dual purpose yan. So alam nyo naman, so hindi tayo titigil hanggat hindi natin nakukuha yung sakto lang na gusto natin para sa ating mga project. So eto, tingnan nyo kung ano to. So nalinis ko na rin to. Ayan. So we have 4 sets of tires and mags in here. Yan, na dadalhin natin. Meron tayong kausap, and at the same time alam nyo na. Yan, so nalinis na natin yan kanina, no? Para shining and shimmering, sabi nga nila. So ang kausap natin ngayon from Pampanga. So bibiyahe ulit tayo ng Pampanga ngayon. Yan, bibiyahe tayo ng Pampanga para makapag-deal. At the same time, makikita nyo mamaya ang isa pang gagawin natin. Okay, let's leave. Okay, so first we have to start. Engine start. There we go. To check. Auto start. Stop. Off. Check the PSI, time, kilometer range, pressure, and 4-wheel drive. Yan. At the boost meter.
This is All Radio 103.5 for all.
So we have to check. So let's see mga tropa mamaya kung ano ang mangyayari sa lakad natin. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa Clark. Yan, dito tayo sa Clark. So hintayin natin ang ating kausap. Ay, so mabilis din naman yung biyahe, no? Yan, napakaganda naman din pala rito. Mukhang masarap tumambay paminsan-minsan, no? Yan, so magpapapalit na tayo ng test fit, shoot. Oo nga, sige. Advan GT.
Tell them leave me alone. Swimming in my drip, 2 fish in the pond. We're gonna do this one the right way. Pisces. I don't wanna know your name, cause I might just feel your pain. Might just risk my life to keep you dry when it rains. Might just fall in love, a little hug can make me stay. Mystics make me soft, just like a moth to a flame. Show me where's the crowd and I'll be proud to just obey. And if you're not around, then I'll be proud to take your place. I'ma roll this loud while I go down and relocate.